In this video, we'll be exploring a comprehensive website offering a wide range of PDF conversion tools. Now, if you have a file that's in PDF format and you want to convert it to any other document type, this is the perfect website for you, fam. The name of this website is SmallPDF. I'll be leaving the link in the description of the video so you can check it out for yourself. Let's take a look at the pricing and see what we're allowed to use or get access to. As you can see, they have a free plan, but it's got limited PDF tools. With the free plan, you'll only get access to 21 PDF tools, and you can work on both their website and their mobile app. I'll be leaving all the links in the description for you to check out. Now, if you go for the Pro plan, it'll cost you $9 per month, and here are the features you're going to get under that plan. And when it comes to the Team plan, that'll cost you $7 per month, and here are the features you're going to get. You're going to get all the features from the Pro plan, plus some extra goodies. To talk about the Business plan, as many people as you want can join, and up to 15 users can go for the Business plan. All right, let's go back to the main page of the website and check out all the PDF tools they offer. We're going to click on Explore All PDF Tools, and here are the tools you're going to get if you join the free trial, y'all. As you can see, you can compress files, convert your PowerPoint documents into PDFs, convert your PDFs into PowerPoints, convert your pictures into PDFs, and even convert your PDFs into pictures. The same thing applies here. You can convert your Excel files into PDFs. This site can also allow you to edit your PDFs, annotate PDFs, and even protect your PDFs with a password. They also got a PDF reader and an AI PDF summarizer. You can rotate, extract, delete, merge, split, and sign PDF pages, and a whole lot more. You've got the link in the description, so click on that and explore more of what this website has to offer. It's such a beautiful website. Let's go ahead and explore what this website can do. We're going to click on the button that says Free Trial. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to load and take us to a login page where you can use your Google account to sign up. As you can see, it's going to unlock unlimited access for 7 days, so let's go ahead and sign up, shall we? Let us proceed by clicking Continue with Google. This will prompt us to sign in using one of our Google accounts. Here we are. I shall select this particular email address, the first one listed. However, feel free to use whichever email address best suits your preferences, as any option will work seamlessly. Now let us log in by clicking Continue. Since we are utilizing the free version, we shall bypass the free plan option for the time being. Excellent. We have now successfully logged in. Let us explore one such converter, specifically the PDF to Word document conversion. To initiate this process, click on the button that says PDF to Word. Our objective is to convert a PDF file into a Word document format. Click on the button that states Choose Files, or simply drag and drop the file onto the designated area on the page. For this demonstration, let us click Choose Files to locate and select my PDF file. Here it is, titled Chapter 4 to 5.2. I shall double-click on this particular PDF document. We shall now patiently wait a few moments until the file is fully uploaded to the website. This process should be completed swiftly. Excellent, the upload is complete. As you can observe, the website is inquiring about our desired conversion format. While the default option is to convert to a Word document, let us explore an alternative. I shall convert this file to plain text format instead. Note that the text-only option is already selected. I shall simply scroll down and click the Convert button. Please allow a few seconds for the conversion process to complete, as the duration may vary slightly depending on the size of your document. It is done. My file has now been successfully converted from PDF to a Word document format. Let us click the Download button to save this converted file to your PC. Let us now view the downloaded file. As you can see, the file originally named Chapter 4 to 5.2, which was previously in PDF format, has now been converted into a Word document. To verify the conversion, I shall double-click on this Microsoft Word file. We shall wait momentarily for the file to open. Excellent. As you can observe, the contents that were originally in PDF format have been seamlessly transformed into a Word document. If you wish to edit any of the text within this file, simply click Enable Editing in your Word application, depending on the version you're using. From there, you can freely add, remove, or modify the text in any way you desire. That concludes the primary demonstration. However, allow me to highlight one additional feature. When you log into this website, you will notice a sidebar on the left-hand side presenting various conversion options such as compress, convert, organize, edit, sign, and more. Clicking More Tools will reveal an expanded list of available utilities. Furthermore, if you wish to share this file with others, you can do so by clicking on the designated Share button This will provide you with options to distribute the file via popular platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, Google Classroom, formerly known as Twitter, Facebook, and many others. That concludes our video demonstration. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.